Number 4 deals with the power of a power property. So here we have x to the fourth to the third power. When you have a power and a power, or an exponent of an exponent, it is the same thing as when you are going to be distributing it here, because you have x to the fourth 3 times. So we have x, 4, and 3, and now we have to multiply it. This is going to get you x to the 7, because again, x to the fourth means you have x to the fourth times x to the fourth times x to the fourth. Okay, just add them all up together. That will get you an x to the 12, right? Same thing here for b. Let's do the same thing. We have x to the 2 to the 5th power. So now we're going to have to just multiply it, because the exponent will distribute. This is going to get you x to the negative 10. But we are not allowed to have a negative exponent, so we bring it across that fraction symbol. It was on top, so we bring it back down. Becomes 1 over x to the 10. For c, let's distribute the exponents together. So we have x to the negative 3. That's going to be multiplied to the negative 7, getting us x to the positive 21 exponent. The fact that it's positive, we could leave it like that.